Hi there, this is Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, and we're going to have conversation together. If you don't know how to follow this course, just go to my webpage and see the instructions. So 3,000 words, lesson 3, conversation. What is the opposite of strong? Do you read the paper every day? What was your top speed in your car? Who goes on maternity leave and when? What is the largest minority in your country? Do you have high expectations of others? What are your regular monthly payments? What is 50 plus 50? Do you have flower pots in your windows? Where is your passport? And now you create questions from following words. Grandfather, cycle, because of, prefer, improve. Now take a piece of paper and a pencil and write down the dictation. The lion struggled to free himself, but could not. His angry roars rumbled through the forest as he became upset and afraid. The mouse heard the lion's cries. And now go to EnglishWithEva.com and follow the instructions and do the listening.